Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to adjust volume without button on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you still adjust the volume using the volume button, then you should leave this method and switch to other method to adjust the volume without having to use the button. And how to adjust the volume without button is very easy, so yeah, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can adjust the volume on the control center like this. So yeah, now you can adjust the volume without button. And the second step is now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to sound and vibration, and then here now you can click on volume. And so yeah, now you can adjust the volume without having to use button. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to adjust volume without button on Samsung Galaxy A56. And then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.